Hi, welcome to Pictures, Noise and Words. I'm Hedgie, and this is Foul Body Autopsy. Cool, I guess. Imperative PR send me approximately 2,000 emails a week. And one of them caught my eye. And it was for this, Foul Body Autopsy. And I don't really know why. You know, sometimes your interest is just piqued and you're like, not really sure why. So as far as I can tell, and I admittedly, sorry, Foul Body Autopsy, I don't really do research. But from what I can make out, this is a project by one guy, Tom Reynolds, I believe. And I think he's from the UK because that's where a lot of these crazy sounding bands come from. There's just something in the UK psyche that does this sort of stuff. So I have listened to probably about 10 seconds of this. And this is one thing that we like to do on this channel is roll the dice, isn't it? I mean, I don't think this is going to earn me 1 million viewers and subscribers. But it's called Foul Body Autopsy. What could possibly go wrong? So underneath the video, this video, which currently has 87 views, by the way, this is melodic death metal. I can't remember if it was about a week or so ago, and like I say, I listened to about 10 seconds of it. So are you ready for some Foul Body Autopsy? Of course, the first time I read it, I read Full Body Autopsy, which kind of makes sense, but it was only when I really sort of paid attention. So yes, apparently there are 3 EPs, and this is the second one that's just been released, and I mean just. Oh, no, in fact, no, it hasn't. It's not out till the 1st of May. You've got another month from now. So no, it's not even out yet. So the first part's out. This is the second song of the second part EP. I can't do words anymore. Let's just play the song. It's 5.5 minutes and called Foul Body Autopsy. I was fully expecting some grindcore. So if it is melodic death metal, well, that would be better, to be honest. That's the fellas. Never stop emailing me. Ever. Well, that was great. That was really good. I really enjoyed that. I tell you what, the keyboards were really sort of Gary Newman-esque, right back to old like Tubeway Army days. They really had that chord progression and the sound of the Gary Newman keyboards from way back, like 1979 or something. Love it. Loads of atmosphere, but loads of kind of, I'm not sure. I don't think Foul Body Autopsy will like me for saying this, but it was kind of fun, which is probably not what they were going for. It was kind of, it just charged along and kind of bludgeoned its way along, didn't it? But it was kind of just fun to you know, go along with. This is a real cookery song for me, in the kitchen, just going, because that's how I cook. The place is a terrible mess when I finished. But it's just got that energy, and it's just got that great vibe and atmosphere that you can just really enjoy and kind of fly along with, as I said. It's I'm struggling to put it into words, other than because I'm trying to explain a feeling, and the feeling is yay as well as but yay, which is a yer. I think I should probably speak to this guy, because I'd be interested in how he puts this together, because if it's one person, you know, it's a lot of work, there's a lot of tracking going on. I mean, this is like one of those things that you find and you get far more than you expect, because I was expecting some grindcore, you know. It's Foul Body Autopsy. what are you going to expect? I wasn't expecting something that I would actually kind of enjoy, you know, that would be sort of fun to listen to. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get, in fact I'm clearly gonna have to get part 1, give that a listen, and get part 2, and probably get part 3, and if I put all 3 together, maybe I'll have an album. I don't know how many songs are on these EPs, but maybe I'll have a whole album then of just bonkersness. That's definitely a word. Let me know what you think. I think I really liked it. I just really liked it. There you go. Right at the beginning I was thinking, a bit of sort of cattle decapitation, but it wasn't at all. But that was the first thought that popped into my head, and then that one went away, and it's just a great blast. I shall be playing that again, without a doubt. See you soon. Let me know what you think. Yeah, bye bye.